Okay. We're live. No, I'm kidding. We're not.
Okay. So the keikis are a little bit smaller, so they don't need really long strings. Okay. So I'm gonna give you. Okay. Okay. Can you tie a knot on one end for me?
On one end?
Yeah. That's the end.
These two loops? Or?
Yep, that's two.
Okay,
I don't think you tie them together.
Yeah, so you actually have two knots to tie, okay?
Yeah, one on each string.
Yes, there you go.
So I don't want him to tie the two strings
Yeah.
together. Don't tie the two strings together. Right?
Don't tie them together. Okay. All right, so now, four little ones, okay? So he has two strings, so if you can tie a knot on each one of those two.
Sure.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you all these flowers here.
I think work here. Yeah, right. How do you know it's market? That's right.
So what you're gonna do,
Yep.
okay, when you guys get back to your room, okay, is you're gonna prepare each flower, okay? So on each flower there's a stem on the back. You break the stems off, okay, like that. And this is what you're gonna sew your lei with. So now, after you tie the knot on there, okay, so you drop the part with the knot, okay, and you're gonna use the opposite end, okay, and make sure you dangle about maybe 5 inches. This is what you're gonna use to tie your lei with, okay? And also, on the bottom, when you sew your lei, leave another 4 inches, because this is what you're going to use to tie the lei as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So your lei basically will be this, from here to here. Got it? Okay? So now, when you put your lei on the needle, you see that if you squeeze the two threads, the string together, you have a loop. What you do is you take, these are lei needles. They don't have eyes to poke the thread through. They have hooks on them. You just stick the needle through the loop and you slide the string down, oh, wrong end, so that it hooks up
Oh, at the end.
like that. You see that? How it hooked up? Okay, got it? Okay, easy enough? Then, what you're gonna do is you take the prep flower that you broke the stem off, you pinch it upside down, turn it sideways, and you poke the flower from the front to the back, and make sure you come out as close as possible to the top center of the flower, like that. Okay, got it? And then, when you put your flowers on, the reason why it's good to use the lei needle is you can put about 5 flowers at a time on the needle, as whereas compared to the regular needles, you gotta sew them one by one, and that takes forever. So once you got 5 flowers on the needle, you keep them separated like that, okay? And all you do is that you pull the needle up, you hold the flower in place. By pulling the needle up, you take the pressure off pushing the flower down. Make sense? Okay? So once you take all the flowers off, you just leave it right there. You take all 5 of them like that. And the reason for that is you don't want to have to keep pushing them one by one down like this. So you let all the 5 flowers come off the needle, put your hand behind the top one, and then you just pull the needle up, and then the flowers will automatically fall down. Like that. Got it? You got it? Okay, good enough? Okay, so then remember, you put your flowers all the way up to this. Don't let this get caught under your flowers, okay? Because what happens is sometimes we forget that these strings are doubled, and we'll have the flowers come up to here, and you lose your string.
Oh.
So what you want to do is make sure every time you push your flower down, it clears that extra string. Got it? Okay. Any questions? Okay, good. Easy enough? Okay, so I'll give you all these needles. Okay. Be careful because they're very sharp.
Yeah.
Okay, you take that with you to make one lei. And I think there's what, 4 of them? No, this is yours. I just started it for you.
Thank you.
Okay, got it? All right, and then we'll put all this in that package there.
Okay.
Okay? You want to pass me the package? I'll put the flowers inside for you.